Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the side-by-side map comparison interface in Leaflet. So for that, let me show you the example. Actually, this example was already, we used this feature in one of our project. So if we select two different data type and then load, it will automatically show us in the map comparison mode so that we can sweep this window to compare our two maps, and also we can zoom into particular area, and then also we can swipe to compare two maps side by sides. So okay, so we are going to develop this kind of feature. So for that, I'm going to use the leaflet side by side plugin. So here they have the example shown here, so we are going to build something like similar to this. And then here are lots of options available actually, so we are not going to try all the options, but I'll show you how to deal with these options, some of the main options. So for that, here in my code, so I have created the side by side.html file. Here I have initialized the map, and then I have added the OSM and watercolor map, and then also I have added two different layers from my geo server, which is hosted locally. If you don't know about geo server and these things, please feel free to check my course, check the video series on my YouTube channel. So I'll provide you the link in description below. And also, so for that, we have the, I already created the map like this, and then so we can, let's suppose we can toggle between watercolor, or we can see the mud flow and landslide layer as well. So these two layers are coming from GeoServer, but these two layers are the base layers provided by Leaflet provider, this plugin. So if you don't know about these things, please feel free to check out my Leaflet course, which is a 1 hour course, and I explain everything in this tutorial, in this video. So here, what I already did is, like, I added the map id, and then with my map id I have with 100% and height 100 vs, and then I initialize the leafletjs and leaflet css link, and then I initialize the map variable, and then I added OSM, watercolor map, mf, ls maps, and then I also added this uh, layer controller so that we can see the layer controller over here. Okay, so let's start by using this plugin. So for that, you have to go to this file. So we need leaflet side by side.mean.js file. So the easiest way to download this file is just click on raw, and then this window will appear, and then control s to save it. So I already save it inside my compare map.lib directory, so I don't need to save again. So if you see here, so I have already this file. So I'll provide you this all the codes in the GitHub, so feel free to check this code as well. Okay, so let's insert this plugin here. So here you have to provide the path to leaflet side by side mean.js file, which is inside my lib folder. So I already provided. So if I quickly check like OSM and watercolor map, so let me add this to the map, and then if I try this yal.control.side by side, and then I have to side by side OSM is the left layer and watercolor map is the right layer. Then if I save it, then my leaflet map will look like this. So now I have this swiper is available in between of these two maps, and then I can swipe to view the map. I can change the base maps, right? So if I added other layers, so let's suppose if I added landslide, this layer won't work because uh, it's it's not it's activated on both the maps, not on the only one map. So let me go to the code again. So here I have two layers, mf and ls. If I, let's suppose if I want to compare these two layers, so let me add one by one. This is my uh, ls layer, landslide layer, and if I turn on mud flow layer, this is my mud flow layer. So both are looks pretty similar, but there is little bit different between these two layers. Okay, so let me now add the emf in ls layer as well. So let me add this layer by default, add to map, I forgot dot, and then ls also I have to dot add to map. And then after I check, both map will be available at the map. So actually this swiper event, I want to swipe between these my ELS and MF layer, so I can turn off this watercolor map for now. And then if I try to swipe between ls is left layer and mf is right layer, so I can see the map in OSM background, right? So if I swipe, then I can toggle between mf and ls layer, right? So you can also zoom into the particular region or area of your interest, and then you can swipe to get compare the two maps. You can get the comparison between two maps. Also you can change the watercolor map is the background map, and then all you can swipe between this map. Okay, looks cool, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like the video if you like the content, and subscribe the channel. So I'll see you in the next